Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Todd in South Dakota on the Stryker SR-955HP. Hey Todd, I got it ready to go for you, bud. We did our tune alignment and voltage regulator upgrade. We're going to show you here with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. That key in about 4 watts all the way down. Just in case you decide to run an amplifier. 22 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 50 bird average. 100 watt slug, gonna show you peak power. Hello, about 86 peak. Alright Todd, it's ready to come to you. I sure hope you enjoy it and I appreciate your business. From www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.